Welcome back to Scotty's Fishing Live. Tips and tricks for every species of fish. Please subscribe to my channel and share with all your mates. And hit the bell notification so you go catch your next species of fish. And keep an eye out for my special tip in this video. And hey guys, check out our other YouTube channel, The Hook and the Cook, with my good mate, Paul Brahenny. Well, Gary and I have been here for about an hour and a half, I suppose, punching burley into this spot. We've got a few small weedies. This is our first drummer or pig.
The rock blackfish, or pigs as us anglers call them, have a blackish to brown grey body. They possess a dorsal fin with 13 spines that extends to the tail base. Their diet includes cunjevoi, redbait, crabs and cabbage weed. They are a tough fighter and a great sports fish, using their strong swim tail to hide under rock ledges and crevices once hooked. A maximum weight of 9 kilos and a length of 76 centimetres, with the average fish caught around 1 to 3 kilos. The eastern rock blackfish are found in surgy areas of rocky shorelines along the New South Wales coast, up into Queensland and round into Victoria and around the eastern or northeastern area of Tasmania. They are a fantastic fish, and for many years anglers have targeted these fish off the rocks.
Nice fish, mate.
How was that? How good was that?
Yeah, real good fish. Okay, I want to show you how simple the rig is today that we're using. We're using a simple bobby cork on the main line, running float, as you can see, and a little small ball sinker, probably number 1, and then a pearl prawn and a number 1 hook. Now the running float has a stopper knot up the line, and we've got that set at about 1.5 metres to 2 metres in this area we're fishing, but you can vary that depending on where you fish. So very simple rig, 35 pound Snyder mono, straight through. Very easy, very simple. I've got a nice Alvey reel there. Gary's using the thread line back there, and a nice rod to match. It's great fun in the winter months on the rocks, or in the summer months, but we love coming out here in the winter and chasing the drummer. It's great fun.
Through the net. Oh, nice fish.
Well, there you have it, a beautiful rock blackfish, or drummer, or as us fishermen call them, pigs.
Yes! Woohoo! Now that's a fish. Look at that monster. Oh my god. Now I've got to be happy with that. Now that is what we call, no wonder they call them pigs. Oh, it's huge. Absolutely huge.
The gear I'm using for the wash fishing is rather simple. I'm using a bobby cork or a float down onto a number 1 hook with a lead to suit. A heavy threadline outfit, spooled up with 10 kilo braid and a stick to suit. We're going to be using prawns for bait, And it's a matter of getting our bread burley in amongst the wash, cast our prawns in, suspend it under our float, and hang on. What fish species will it be next week? Tune in and please subscribe. Cheers, guys.